Did you know that the gaming industry is currently worth around $137.9 billion, and that number is expected to increase by a further $43 billion by the year 2021? But not all of this money is generated by big tech and games companies. There are people out there making a killing from live streaming their gameplay from the comfort of their own homes. We live in a strange world where people can make money off of everything, from unboxing products to eating large quantities of food and practicing computer coding. So it's no surprise that people are making a lot of money from live streaming games. All it takes is a little charisma and an account on a streaming platform like Twitch. One of the more popular Twitch streamers, LolTyler1, is earning in and around $5,000 a day at just 23 years of age. You see, Tyler has a Twitch account which allows him to receive donations from users that like what he's doing. Despite having a bad reputation amongst the gaming community, Tyler is one of the most popular gaming streamers out there. The Twitch platform is super popular. It allows people to sign up and easily broadcast their stream to the world. Viewers can then choose to donate money to the streamers that they like best. And Twitch isn't just for gamers. You can also share art, talk shows and music. But gamers and gaming fans make up a pretty large percentage of its users. Twitch partners and affiliates earn money from things like ads, donations and other sources, like say plug-in games for instance. If you're an Irish citizen, that money counts as income, and when you earn income of any kind, you must pay tax. There may be a number of reasons someone might neglect their tax duties, particularly in relatively new professions like streaming. Some people choose to ignore it, some people are afraid to even start because it seems way too complicated, and others aren't even aware that they should be paying tax. Some of the most popular streamers are teenagers, and I don't know about you, but I certainly had no real knowledge of taxes when I was 14. That's why, if your kid is making money from streaming, you should take it upon yourself to help them with their taxes. You might be wondering how taxes work for streamers. Well, if you earn over €5,000, a self-assessed tax filing is necessary. If you earn under that amount, you can file it under your PAYE income. If you're receiving a PAYE income and making money from streaming, it's taxable through the PAYE system. If all of your income comes from streaming alone, you must report it through the self-assessed system. In fact, your tax obligations are no different to any other self-employed individual. So why bother paying taxes? Well, if you don't, you'll be forced to pay a surcharge, which is an annual fee added when you fail to pay on time. There may also be non-voluntary disclosure fees, which can cost you €3,000 or more. That's why you should always set aside some money throughout the year for your taxes. If you're spending a whole bunch of money on equipment, like headphones, a camera, a console, or whatever it may be, you may be able to write some of them off against your earnings as a business expense. So what are some examples of this? Well, there are two types of expenses, revenue and capital. Revenue expenses are allowable if they are incurred wholly and exclusively for the purposes of the trade. So this would include your electricity, internet, accountancy and legal fees. Capital expenses may qualify for capital allowances relief at 12.5% over 8 years. These expenses include things like consoles, headphones, camera equipment and so on. Keep in mind, if your streaming income is inconsistent or infrequent, it's not considered trading, which means you cannot access relief for capital allowances. So if you're making money from streaming, you're obligated to file an annual tax return and report that income. So why not contact us today? We can answer any questions you might have, or we can help you get started with filing your taxes.